Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to secure your Moneylion account and protect your financial information. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to talk about is account security measures. So first up, you want to use a strong password. So you're going to create a unique and complex password for your Moneylion accounts. The second, of course, is to enable two-factor authentication, and that adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email, and that's going to make your account a lot more secure. You could also set up account alerts, so you're going to receive notification for suspicious activities or large transactions, or changes to your accounts. Now we're going to talk about device security measures. Now there are a couple of security measures you can take on your device. The first up is to use a secure device. You want to ensure that your device is updated with the latest security patches and has a reputable antivirus software. The second is you can also lock your device. So you want to use a passcode, fingerprint, or facial recognition to lock your device and ensure that no one else has easy access to it. You can also use a VPN, which is a virtual private network. So consider using a VPN when accessing your Moneylion accounts on public Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure you keep your information secure, because public Wi-Fi aren't very secure. So if you're using a public Wi-Fi, you want to make sure that you're also using a VPN. Now for financial information protection, the first up is to monitor your accounts regularly. So you got to regularly review your account activities to detect any suspicious transaction. Also, you want to keep personal information private, so you got to avoid sharing sensitive personal information or financial information with others. And also you want to use secure networks, so you got to avoid accessing Moneylion accounts on public computers or unsecured network. These are gonna save you a lot. Now, additional security tips I got for you guys. The first is to avoid phishing scams. So you got to be cautious of emails or messages that ask for sensitive information. Those are obviously phishing scams. The second, of course, is to keep software up to date. So you want to ensure that your device and browsers are updated with the latest security patches. The third, of course, is to use a reputable antivirus software. So you want to install, and of course you want to regularly update antivirus softwares to protect your device against malware. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, make sure you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friend, and of course subscribe to the channel, because that helps us out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.